Hey everyone, dealing with a black screen on your own tablet that won't turn on? Don't panic. In this video, I'll share simple solutions to bring your tablet back to life. Let's get started. Fix 1. Check the charger and charging port. Use the original charger. Ensure you are using the charger that came with your tablet. Inspect the charging port. Look for any debris or damage in the charging port that might prevent proper charging. Try a different outlet, plug the charger into a different power outlet to rule out issues with the socket. Fix 2. Charge the tablet. Connect your tablet to the charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. After charging, attempt to power it on by pressing the power button. Fix 3. Perform a force restart. Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. Step 2. Continue holding both buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds. Step 3. Release the buttons when the device restarts or you see the on logo. Fix 4. Boot into recovery mode and perform a factory reset. Step 1. Ensure the tablet is powered off. Step 2. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously until the on logo appears. Step 3. Release the power button but continue holding the volume up button until the recovery menu appears. Step 4. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset and press the power button to select it. Step 5. Confirm the reset by selecting Yes, erase all user data. Step 6. Once the reset is complete, select Reboot System Now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.